where I shoot at 35p. So basically this is 35p.
Go.
So the movement
time.
speed, everything is should be. So the next one I shoot with 50p. In 50p means that I will do slow motion, but not too slow. It only do slow motion around 2 times on the normal speed. In 100p as this video, basically you will make the video become slow-mo 4 times than the normal speed. However, for shooting this mode, for shooting this 25p, 50p or 100p, you must take note that when you want to have slow motion, it only can be done in post editing. You cannot have slow motion. For example, you have the video, you record already, and then you import to your PC, it will become slow motion. No, it won't be slow motions. You need to do post processing to make that video become slow motion. The benefit of recording in this mode is that you will get slow motion in video and also in audio. There is another way where you can do slow motions. The output is going to be slow motion already, so you don't need to do a post processing. We call this SNQ, where means slow and quick. In SNQ, so what you need to do, you need to turn the camera dial into SNQ. Then when you go to menu, on the second menu you will see here the exposure mode for shooting SNQ. Same thing, you can choose either to shoot SNQ in program mode, shutter mode, aperture mode or manual mode. So it's up to you. When you go to the number 5, then you will start to see SNQ settings. Over here you will see that you have an option starting from 25, which is normal speed, 50 become 2 times slow motion, 100 become 4 times slow motion. Apart from that, you will see lower than 35 means you have 12, you have 6, all those up to 1 frame per second. What does it mean? It means that when you shoot at that mode, it will do a quick motion like time lapse. But remember, this is not like a normal time lapse when you do with photos. This is a video time lapse. All right. For example, like this video I did, as you can see, all the crap moving very fast is because I'm shooting at 6 frames per second. So remember, 6 frames per second. When I play back, it will turn it into 1 second, 35 frames. So 6 frames per second, basically you make the video much more faster than the original. When you record a video, you must set your shutter accordingly to your video settings. For example, if you record 25p, it means that you need to make sure your shutter will be minimum as 1/25. You cannot go lower than 125. You can make it higher, but you cannot do lower. If you shoot 100p, it means that you need to set your shutter into 1/100 minimum. So if you shoot in low light like me right now, I'm shooting quite low lights. So I'm shooting only at 25p. I will not shoot at 50p or 100p because I wanna set my shutter speed become as low as possible, which is right now is 1/25, f1.4, and ISO I pump it into 2500. So that's basically the first part of the menu system. For the menu number 2, as you can see, you have autofocus drive speed. So basically, autofocus drive speed is about if you want to change focus between front and the back, okay, it will determine the speed. Okay, now I'm using slow. Okay, then slowly move going up there, changing the focus point. Then you can see that it slowly change the autofocus. I go down again. Right, and slowly change the focus point. Okay, now I'm going to use normal. This is normal. Change the focus point. Then you can see that it's much more faster than slow just now. Alright, going down. Okay, that is for normal. And now I'm using fast. Okay, as you can see going up. So you can see that it's very fast. Alright, and it's very fast. Okay. If you want to make it normal, it means that the speed of changing focusing going to be normal. If you want to make it slow, then it will change the focusing from one subject to another subject a little bit slower, like cinematic, like manual kind of thing, but it's still not as perfect as manual. And if you want to make it fast, it means that it will change autofocus very fast from one subject to another subject. So it depends what you shoot. If you shoot a fast moving subject, or for example during action, you need to be fast. If you shoot like normal, like right now I'm using normal. Or if you want to make really emphasize on the motion, slow, changing focus to another focus, I suggest you use slow. Okay, the next setting is will be autofocus tracking sensitivity. For the autofocus tracking sensitivity, it will have few options over there. So usually it is more involved when you do a tracking and moving subject. I will choose responsive because every time I will track, I will be responsive to that person or changing focus much more faster. So that is my style. It depends on you. You keep trying which one is the best for you. Apart from video quality, your exposure video whatsoever, the next one you need to really take good care in video is your audio. If you want to do video involving most of the time is background music, then should be any problems. If your video involving talking, like I'm doing right now, involving talking, so audio is very important for shooting videos. You need to set your audio properly. The best way to set your audio properly is by using a headphone or earphone and test either your audio will be good or bad, or see the noise level, everything. So the next one is that you will have what we call audio level display. In audio level display, it will show you the display of the audio, how much audio level you are doing right now. So basically you just need to make sure that your audio, your bar level is only green, doesn't hit the red at all. Your audio level hit red, it means that now your audio is over loud, it's too loud, right? So do not reach the red, only reach at the far end or just the middle, should be okay. Your audio will be okay and nice. One of the most important thing in video is that you need to be stable. All right, so basically if you don't have any stabilizer, or for example like you don't have any gimbal, do not record video while you are running. So basically your footage is going to be like gegar. You can move but very slow moving. Okay, so you just need to hold it properly. You move it very slow, front and the back or side. Okay, if your camera have stabilization, you basically can walk a bit, like the video you're seeing right now. So basically I'm walking and my footage still stable. One reason because the camera that I'm using, which is the A7 Mark III, already have in-body image stabilization, 5-axis in-body. It helps my footage to be more stable.